Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to this tutorial on SPSS. Today we will explore how to perform descriptive statistics in SPSS, a crucial step in understanding your data. Let's get started. First of all, launch SPSS and open your dataset. If you don't have a dataset, create one by entering values in the data view and defining variables in the variable view. Always name your variables clearly for easy analysis. Now go to Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics, then Descriptives. In descriptives window, select your interested variable, then go to options and select your center tendencies and dispersions. Then select OK and your results will appear. For performing both plot, you again go to analyze, then descriptive statistics, then explore. Explore window, select your interested variable, then go to plots and select fractal levels together in box plot. Then continue, then OK and your results will be appear. Now remember that mean or average represents the central value of the data. Median is the middle value useful when data has extreme values. Mode is most frequently occurring value. Standard deviation means the measures that data spread. Higher values mean greater variability. And range and variances help understand the distribution. Boxplot has the ability to visually compare the distribution of data across multiple groups. And it's a best way to easy outlier identification. That's it for today's SPSS tutorial. If you found this helpful, like, share and comment your questions below. Also, let me know what SPSS topic you would like to learn next.